Okay, hello. Today I want to mark swing high or swing low. I mark swing high so you can practice with swing low. We want to go like trading view from left to right. I mean from start to end, one by one, candle by candle. Okay, so we use ether rows for row and index in df file dot ether rows. It going from left to right, from start to end, exactly like trading view, like Pinescript. Okay, so we define our current high. This is, we say row high. Why row high? Because as you see, it is our high. Column name is this. Name is row high. Is high. So we access to row of high. For example, here, then here, then here, then here, one by one, candle by candle, exactly like trading view, from left to right. So we say if index higher than, bigger than 0, so high one, I mean previous high. We write iLook df.iLook index -1 and our high. This give us previous row of previous high, previous row, and this give us previous high. Okay, and we say okay, if index higher than 1, so high 2 is mean two before candle. Okay, then we define our swing condition. Because it starts from left to right. For example, if we are here, because there is no index before that this, there is no index before that this, that's why we added this and this. Okay, because we want to access to previous or one more before that previous. So again we write this to avoid any error. We say if I1, if previous high higher than current high and previous high higher than 2 candle before, so mark. We use chart is this chart that we use a marker tell us and which time we use time. Current time, we don't want current time, because current time this is swing, so for swing we need previous time. So we write again if df.iLook index -1 time, then position above, marker shape arrow done is enough. We put it inside a function, def swing high function, and we call our function here. Okay, problem. Trace 5 row height int object is not sub. I should make first index then row. Okay, as you see, now it's working. All these are swing high.